Hi everyone. Today I am sharing a customer support ticket management system I built using Motia, a modern backend framework that completely changes how we build server applications. This project solves a real-world problem, managing customer support ticket with automatic classification, real-time status tracking, and role-based interfaces. But what makes it special is the architecture. Instead of juggling multiple services, queues, and workers, everything's run in a one unified Motia backend using a single primitive called steps. Coming to tech stack, on backend I am using Motia with TypeScript, Redis for persistence, and BullMQ for background jobs. The frontend is React 19 with Tailwind CSS. Here is where Motia shines. In traditional backend, we have Express for APIs, separate worker processes for background jobs, message queues to connect them, complex deployment configuration. With Motia, everything is a step. Let me show you how it works. First, you will select a role, customer or service provider. As customer, I'll create a support ticket. Let me type my account login is broken and I can't access urgent files. I'll do the same for issue. Watch what happens automatically. The create ticket API step saves the ticket to Redis. It immediately calls my classify ticket function. This uses keyword detection, scanning for word like login and urgent. It auto assigns category as account and priority as high. All events are logged in a time. Now, as a service provider, I see all tickets in my dashboard with their categories and priorities already assigned. I can update status with one click from the classified to in progress or to resolved. When I change the status, the update status step updates the Redis and adds a new event to the timeline. The ticket's complete history is preserved, creation, classification, and every status change. Learning and architecture benefits. Building this taught me that the architecture matters more than framework. Additional backend Additional backend force you to manage API services, queue systems, worker processes, inter-service communication with Motia step-based architecture. I got one deployment instead of multiple services, event-driven workflow without complex setup, built-in state management with Redis, automatic retries and observability. Motia proved that unified architectures aren't just simpler, they are more powerful. You write less code, deploy once, and get enterprises feature out of the box. Thanks for watching. Check the description for the GitHub repo and deployment guide.